Stars are glowing as they pass, warm plates coming through the room. Garlic butter afternoon. Twirl the pasta around the fork, lose the thread of what we talked. Bread is waiting by the side, rain can stay a little while. Let it fall outside the door, we've got everything indoors. Pasta while it rains, warm and easy by the window pane. One more bite, one little tune, let the clouds stay through the afternoon. Pasta while it rains, street lights shining down the lane. Nothing here we need to change, rainy days can taste this way. Parmesan across the plate, we keep saying we should wait. Then you reach for one more piece of the bread beside your seat. Glasses tapping, people talk, umbrellas passing on the walk. Every table feels alive while the rain keeps time outside. Maybe weather doesn't matter, with a warm plate on the table, let the whole gray city stay. We're doing fine in here today. Pasta while it rains, steam is rising by the window pane. One more laugh, one easy tune, let the evening arrive too soon. Pasta while it rains, golden lights along the lane. Nothing more we need today, rainy nights can feel this way. Rain outside, dinner inside.